that's how we do that. And that'll keep this bed. Yeah, it's either sake or gosh dang it, soy sauce. They get the people I buy them from. Okay, so one of the things I need to do today, I make sure I get this done because we got plants that need nutrients, and basically they're just sitting in kind of a moist cocoa core substrate. So I need to get one of these barrels fixed with nutrients to feed the pineapples and the sorry, you're dealing with someone with ADHD brain here, so you're gonna deal with my mess. Probably that one. It's my smallest one. And that'll get us there. Big. Rubber washer right against the gasket, right against the get it. Moment of truth. Man, just gotta put water in this. Alright. Hopefully it doesn't leak.